Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the hospital case list screen. The hospital case list screen offers a centralized view of all patient cases within the hospital, making it easier to manage and track patient care efficiently. This feature allows healthcare providers to add, edit, and monitor patient cases in real time, ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible when making clinical decisions. With the hospital case list, you can streamline key hospital workflows by assigning beds, updating clinical notes, and managing patient discharges. Additionally, the ability to generate reports and handle invoicing tasks directly from this screen helps maintain accurate records and improve overall hospital administration. The built-in communication tools further enhance coordination between medical teams and patients, contributing to a smoother and more organized patient care process. In this tutorial video, we will start with the filters section on the hospital case list screen. The filters allow you to search for and sort cases based on specific criteria. For example, you can filter based on case status, discharge status, or many of the other filter options in this section of the screen. For a more detailed explanation on how to use this section, please refer to the How to Use the Hospital Case List Filters user manual linked in this video's description. Now, let's take a look at the hospital case list itself. Use the slider to view more columns for the hospital cases. These columns allow you to see detailed information about each case, such as the case number, name, surname, case status, and much more. This will allow you to easily track the patient's full status with all the information you may need readily available. For an explanation on what each column refers to, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Next, we'll go over the several list options available to help you customize how your case list appears. For example, you can click Add New to create a new case, or use the Expand Widths button to auto-adjust the column sizes. To reset the column width to their original size, click on the Reset Column Widths button. To select all the hospital cases, click on the Select All button. To rearrange the columns based on your preference, click the Sort Columns button. For more information regarding how the Sort Columns feature works, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Reports and List screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click the Choose Columns button to select which columns will appear in the list. For more information on choosing columns, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Reports and List screens user manual linked in this video's description. The default layout drop-down menu will remain pre-selected to default layout for the layout of the screen. Each column can also be sorted by simply clicking the column header. Click once for ascending order, click again for descending order, or click a third time to reset the filters. Lastly, to view detailed information about a specific case, just click on the desired case. For more information regarding the Hospital Case List sidebar, please refer to the Hospital Case List sidebar, Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description.